friends, this is the Miss Wolfie from our Half Acre Homestead, and today we're previewing TruEarth's Platinum Fragrance-Free Heavy Duty Cleaning Formula. Okay, now the reason I'm doing heavy duty cleaning formula is because I'm washing sheets. Now, the reason I'm using the heavy duty formula is we change our sheets twice a week. Now think about this, all right? You change your clothes every day, sometimes every other day, but your sheets you use every day, but you do not. You wear your sheets almost as long as you wear your clothes, but you only change them twice a week. That's why I'm using the heavy duty advanced formula. Okay, here is my nicely cleaned washing machine. Daddy's pillowcases are blue. These are the sheets I got for Christmas. I'm still using them because it's February and it's still cold. All right, so this is the magic. When I did the spray cleaner, I put too much water in it and it still did the job, right? So I'm going to start out with only one load. Doesn't say. Oh yeah, there's a perforated edge. This is my laundry soap, folks. This is how it came in the mail. 32 loads of it. Now I'm not putting a double load in like I would with a pod. I'm putting one strip in. Look at this. You just rip that strip off and toss it in there. Now, if you have humidity problems, you may want to put this into a cookie tin and put the lid on it. But I don't have humidity problems until the summer, and I'll let you know then. Okay, now I wash bulky sheets, deep clean, temperature, cold. There it goes. When the sheets are done and in the dryer and out of the dryer and back on my bed, I'll let you know how they come out of the dryer, but I'm not going to finish this video until I've slept on them for 2 days because we all know how sensitive my skin is. All right? Woo! I got to tell you folks, I came in to use the bathroom and I thought I'd pause my machine because it won't let me open it while it's running. And I'm going to show you the water. This is a cold water wash and it's just the sheets off our beds. Look at the grunge of that water. I'm really, really pleased so far with this soap. And don't worry that it doesn't have suds, folks. Suds are for sissies. Okay, the sheets are on the bed. I'm sorry, folks, I'm puffing. I put my top sheet on backwards. You're crazy. Muggle. We will see you in 2 days after I've slept on these sheets. They're soft. They smell good. They don't have a perfume odor or anything like that. And I used one sheet. No fabric softener. Now, I gotta tell you that I've slept on my sheets for 2 days and they're soft and they're comfortable and they're fresh smelling without any fragrance. I really, really enjoyed the advanced formula fragrance free. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the Platinum Advanced Heavy Formula fragrance fresh linen for our darks. They get washed and cold. I'm going to test it. But I'm going to use the fragrance-free on my more delicates, just because they're closer to my skin, right? Okie dokie. So first things first, we're going to do, I got slippers. I've been saving up my laundry waiting for this stuff. Papa's dirty old jeans. I'm one of these people who throws everything in. Alrighty then. Okay, this is a really big load. I'm still going to only wash with one strip. Why? Because I want to test them, right? I want to test them. See, they have this nice little perforation. And you just do that. But I noticed when it starts throwing stuff around, it got stuck to the sidewall, even though it still works. So I'm just going to wrap it in an old pair of underwear, toss it in there. And deep clean, cold, deep water, soil level heavy. There we go. Once again, even with one strip, the water's nice and cloudy. So, you know what? It seems to be pulling the dirt out of the clothes. Alrighty. You know, I know it was fresh linen, but there's really no heavy fragrance on this at all. And like I said, I don't use fabric softener. We have a peek at Howie's jeans here. You know what? Still, only needed one. And that was a heavy duty load. That load is in the dryer. That was the Platinum Advanced Heavy Duty Cleaning Formula Fresh Linen. Now, we're gonna dump that in there. Let's take out the darks. I'm pretty easy going with laundry, folks. When it comes to laundry, I'm not a sorter. Okay, darks and lights, yes. But as you can see, now it's not going to get old grunge out of you know, long used things. But that's not the point, is it? Now, again, I'm just going to try one strip. And this isn't even the heavy duty advanced formula. This is just fragrance-free TruEarth Eco Strips laundry detergent. Saving the planet one load at a time. So this isn't even the heavy duty stuff. So let's do that. And again, I don't wash in hot water. I don't wash in hot water. So we'll see how these do. Okay, let's review the laundry soap. Now here's what I have previewed. I use the fresh linen on the fresh linen heavy duty on the darks. I use the fragrance-free heavy duty on the bed sheets, and I use this on my lights, which is not heavy duty, it's just regular. I did not preview this because I didn't think I needed to, because it's just a fragrance version of this. And I did not preview the baby because I don't have a baby, and they only sent me one, so I'm just going to give this one away. All right, but these 5 are what I'm giving away. All right, but let's preview them. This is the stuff I get from Costco, and it comes in 152 packets in one of these big plastic jugs. Now, I have to use 2 of these in every load of laundry that is the size I have been doing today, like sheets and clothing, okay? I have to use 2 of these, but you can do the math, it's real simple. 152 loads in a big plastic jug. This is 3, 6, 9, 12, 160 loads right here. That's 160 loads. But get this, I only had to use 1 strip, not 2 pods, 1 strip, and it worked. Here's our canary in the coal mine, folks. Howie's jeans. Yes, there's paint stains and stuff on them. But I'm going to tell you, those jeans were in really rough shape. And I mean, this stuff gets it right down in. So yeah, 1 strip. And if anybody's hard on clothes, it's my husband. Now this is one of my favorite shirts you folks may recognize. These are some of my favorite shirts you might recognize. This actually removes. This is a shirt I wear a lot, and yeah, I'm sorry, it's not all free of wrinkles and stuff because I just unfolded it. But this shirt had a lot of pre-existing stains that got hidden by the pattern. And I'm telling you, it removed them. I couldn't believe it. It came out cleaner than the last time it was washed. So it removed pre-existing stains. Go figure. So it doesn't just clean thoroughly, it really deep cleans. And one strip. Now here's another favorite shirt of mine. These were the whites. And I'm telling you, it got it so much brighter and cleaner. I'm not saying this because the stuff was free. I'm saying this because it worked. It deep cleaned, removing some pre-existing stains with only 1 strip instead of comparable by 2 pods. It doesn't react with my skin. Even the fresh linen fragrance is barely discernible. It's just good quality product. Wow. So now comes the fun part. These are the ones I have not opened. I'm giving all of these away. All right? You're going to leave a comment below this video telling me why you would like to try TruEarth Eco Strips Laundry Detergent. And then I'm going to do a draw. And I'm going to draw 5 names. And each name will get one of these. Start commenting, because somebody, 5 of you, are going to get a chance to try this product. And if you don't get a chance to try this product, use the coupon code and try it for yourself. It's worth every penny. You know why? Because you don't have to use 2. I mean, if your laundry was like huge, super 27 jeans thing, yeah, use 2 strips. But for a regular, normal load of laundry that you saw me do, 1 strip will do. All right, this is the Miss Wolfie from our Half Acre Homestead saying, get commenting. The draw is on February 19th. All right.